already seen the first video I did on this subject where I talked about the R107. You know, sometimes when I work on an R107, I have to give deference to my buddies up here. These guys can help me, because if I'm not careful, I'm going to really hurt my head. So I'm calling this new little gadget I came up with the R107 head saver. Because you can see when you're working down in here, you know, you're going to bang your head. Everybody has some experience of banging their head. So before I show you the installation of this, I want to give you a reference by showing you where the stop comes on the factory hood hinges. See that? I'm here, it's right at my eyebrows. Okay, keep that in mind. Now we're going to go about installing that head saver, and we'll show you the difference. The extender is going to go right here, which means we have to disconnect both hood hinge points right here at these clips, and suddenly you have nothing holding the hood up. So I recommend that you have a helper when you do this. You don't want that hood falling down. I know you can try to get some sort of strut in there or even a block of wood, but I always grab somebody and say, can you hold the front of the grill while I pull these clips and release this hinge line from the hood right here. Okay, there it is. I can tell my buddy to let go. Now you want to see the difference. That only took a few minutes to install, and look at the difference. Now you see, I don't need my buddies anymore. I don't need to consult them, because now I'm not going to hit my head. You remember at the beginning of this video, the hood, the top of the hood came to my eyebrows. And look at that. We've gone well over a foot, maybe up to 16 inches. And watch the clearance as I lean into the engine compartment to work on the engine and move my head back out. I've got to really work hard now to hit my head. And now you know why I call this the R107 head saver.